Okay, in this video we are going to learn about list and we are going to discuss how we can create a list. So let me take an example. First you need to create a list, so I will type list and put an equal mark, and within these brackets you can assign the members. So let's say 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma let's say 89. So this is our list. So basically it has a set of numbers. So in order to print this list, what you can do is you can use the print command and call the list. So in this way, if I run this now, you can notice that the list gets printed out like this. So it contains different elements. So another way to access a member is like you can use the print command, again list, and you can index it. So 0, starting from 0, let's try to run this, and you can notice that 2 appears. So the list will start from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the index number 3 will have the member 89. So you can run and you can notice that 89 appears. So suppose you want to print a list one by one, so you can use a for loop. Then for element you can give any name, element in list. So this will loop through all the elements in this list. Then colon print the respective element for each iteration. So in this way we manage to obtain the result. So let me remove this so that it's more clear. 2, 5, 8 and 89. Similarly, you can also print the type of each variable. So print element, print the type of each element. So we call element, and now if I run this, you can notice that the data type of each element is being printed here. So if I change something like let's say 2 to 2.0, and in between you can also use text. So let's say JJD, and if I run this, you can notice that first 2.0 is float, JJD is string, 8 is int, and 89 is also int. So in this way we can use mixed data types within a list. So this is the basic idea about list. So thank you very much for joining with the Python Scripter YouTube channel.